Hello everyone. Today we are going to build our first smart contract using Solidity. Head over to this URL, then click on this icon, name your contract, contract.sol. Sol is the extension for Solidity. Then I will have this license here. After that, I will define a version of Solidity. 0.8.7 is going to be my version. Then I will use this keyword contract. Then I will define my contract name. Then these parentheses, inside of the parentheses, I will say string public string name, and there will be a hello world. And then semicolon in the end is very necessary. Then I will go to this compiler, click on compile contract. It will compile for me. Then I will go to this page. There will be all these things. Then we'll click on deploy. It will deploy my contract. If I go down, there is my contract. If I click on this hello, there we go. Hello world. Congratulations for your first smart contract.